Hello everybody. Going to show you how to make the best cup of iced tea in your Keurig. First you start with Southern Breeze pre-sweetened sweet tea with 0 calories because it's sweetened with Splenda, and you can get that at southernbreezesweettea.com or Google it and it'll take you right to their website. And this is made in Georgia, so they really know Southern sweet tea, and it is hands down the best. So first you start with a cup of ice, and then you have to have one of these pods for your Keurig. Then you get a tea bag out, tear the paper off and pour the tea into your little pod. Place the pod in your Keurig. Set your desired brew. In this case, it's 12 ounces strong. And just brew it right over the ice. And when it's done, you have the perfect cup of iced tea. And it just don't get any better than that. All the flavor is 0 calories. Alright, it's all done. All you do now is put your lid on, stir it a little bit, and enjoy.